Hi, do you want to earn $700 or more in 10 minutes easy PayPal money? Yes, I'm sure you are. This is the easiest way to earn money online right now if you just follow my exact step-by-step strategy explained in this video. But before that, welcome to my channel Moneyhorn. I'm Jash from Moneyhorn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, let's start how you can earn $700 or more in just 10 minutes of your work. So I'm going to show you a site which is, you know it, it's CPALead.com. This is a CPA site that's going to pay you for CPA, every CPA. That means cost per actions, if you don't know it. So this is a really good network for CPA and PPC network, and you are really going to earn more than $700 every day, every month. Depends on your work, how active you are. So let's jump back into this site. This is a really recognized and well established site and very old site, so you are really good to go with this site. So all you have to do is, if you just go over to the sign up section, and you can see that they will provide you two options by which you can sign up into CPA Leads, which is Facebook and through Google. So either you can choose Facebook or Google, but anyway, this is a very simple one-step process to sign up into CPA Leads. So when you sign up into CPA Leads, it will show your dashboard like this. So this is a comparatively new account, so my earnings are all zero here. So you can see in this dashboard they are showing you all the live CPA offer are right now running into their site, and if you scroll down below, you can see that they have analyzed and showing you top offers for today, and they have also some landing pages to promote your offer, and your earnings will show right here. And if you scroll down more, it will show that offers that are people earning from, and offers that are really new here that just started. So this is a great site to start working. If you want to earn money from CPA, this is a great website. So if in the left side, you can see that there is offer options here, offers. If you click on that, this will show you the offers page, and it will show all the offers related to your country or any type. So if in the country sections here, if you click on the drop down menu, you can see that all the countries, almost all the countries in the world are listed here. So this is a worldwide opportunity. You can work, any people can work from anywhere in the world, but for this video purpose, I'm selected United States offers that I'm interested to right now. And offer type, devices and advertisers are all like any type, all devices and all, so that you can get the best offers right now. So if you scroll down here, you can see all the CPA offers right now running into CPA Leads, and you can earn money. And they are saying in the right section, these are the amounts for every actions people take. This is a very good way to earn money, because CPA is very easy to earn, because the traffic or where you promote your offer, people do not have to buy anything to participate into your offer. They just need to submit their email or Jeep, then it's good to go with you. You can earn money. Just a simple form submit and you will get that money. It's a very easy and good way to earn money online. So if you scroll down here, we are looking for here in this video is gift card offers, because these are really cool, really people love this type of offers to get, and it's easy to work with. So we are looking for gift offer, and if you scroll down right below, and you can see that there are lots of offers you can find out. So if I just select this offer, get $750 cash app, and if you click on this offer, it will show like this. This is the details of that offer, and it's asking that complete the description says that complete steps and get your 750. So it's very easy to participate. Anyone can participate in these offers, and so this is very easy. But definitely they are saying that you cannot use any VPN, you cannot use any proxies, and so on. These are the restrictions, but these are okay to work with. As we are showing you, I'm showing you a really good way how can easily get this done and easily get traffic. And so this is the affiliate link here. You can see that this is the affiliate link for this offer that you have to promote. So all you have to do, you have to ask people to go over through this affiliate link of yours, so that people can participate to your offer and you can get that commissions. I'm going to show you how you can get traffic for free and really fast, and people are going to love to interact with that offer. The way I'm going to use is quiz site. So the site I'm going to show you is tryinteract.com. Tryinteract.com. This is a really good quiz building site that is free to join and free to work. You're good to go with that. Free is already awesome for us to work with this strategy. So this you can create just free account by clicking create free account here. So when you click on create free account button, it's just a simple process to sign up, and it will take you this page after you sign up with tryinteract.com. So here, if you see that in the left side sections, there in the bottom here is start from scratch. So we are want to start from scratch. So if I click on start from scratch here, then it will show something like this. 3 options. So assessment, personality, and score. So you click on assessment. So when you click on assessment, this page will show the quiz building page. It looks a little complicated, but believe me, this is very easy to build a quiz like this. So there is a 3 options here: the cover of the quiz, and and questions of the quiz, and the result of the quiz. This is the 3 phase of this quiz building options. All you have to do is fill in those title and description. So I have already built up some titles, and for the image here, you need an image in the cover sections and an image in the result section. So what you have to do, you have to download some image here. So if I go to Google and search like gift card samples like this, and you can see lots of gift card related images will show up here, and you can find for this video purpose, I am just choosing this second image as we progress. So I downloaded, right click and save this image to my PC, and then what you have to do, you have to do some editing to that image so that it can fit into this cover and result section of quiz building platform. So what you can do, I'm going to go to canva.com. This is a free website. As you already know, this is a great site to edit on the go any image or anything built like Reels. So it's very easy. Just go over to Canva, create a free account, and then in this custom size button, you click on custom size, and we need 2 images for interactive quiz. One is there, and for result is there. So we choose first, for the first image we choose 900 by 400 pixel image, and for the second image we choose 700 by 400 pixels. So if I, for example, choose 900 by 400, then this page will show up. So all you have to do is just go over to Google and go over to that image page and just simply copy this image and go over to Canva and paste it there by pressing Ctrl V. So the image has been pasted here. You just drag it in like this and just increase the size like this, and I can just edit a little by clicking this adjust section, and you just set the saturation like this, a little more saturation like this, and the blur effect you need a little less blur effect, so it stands out really cool. So this is the way you just download it and save it. Two images, one is 900 by 400 and the second one is 700 by 400, and edit it like I showed you, and just click download, and you just download those images and you are ready to build the quiz for you. So if I move on to the quiz page, here we have a blank page with blank title. So if I fill up it, I have already filled the quiz like this. So this is the ready-made quiz that I have built. So you can edit the title. This is the title for catchy title. Answer this to win a $750 gift card, as we are offering this type of offer. The offer you are promoting, you may edit your title according to that offer. So, and in the description sections, I just write answer these very simple questions for a chance to win 750 gift cards, and in the button below we write click here to continue. Just click here, select it if you write it, and can write it, edit it, and that's very simple. And for the image, for the first image, which is 900 by 400, I have just clicked it. You just click upload, hit the browse button and select the image and hit upload. When you are done, you just click crop and save, and that's it. The image has been added to your cover section of the quiz. And also in the result section of the quiz, when the people just in the final stage, you just hit the same title, write the same title and write the same descriptions here, and I have chosen the 700 by 400 image here that I have just created using Canva. So this is the first page and the third page or the last page. And for the questions page, when people click here to continue from the first place, it will go to their question page. Question page is just the question you want to people to answer. So I have just simply write it, do you like free gift? So, and two options here, yes I love to, and where can I sign up? This is both are correct answer. There you do not need to input any wrong answer. Just click the set correct answer here, and you can see that it will show like this, and you have to click on enable select multiple answers and select all the answers as correct and hit the save button, so that no matter what options people choose, they will win this quiz. They will be correct, always 100% correct for this quiz. So in the if user choose any options and hit next, they will going to go to the result page as both answers are correct, and then in the final page, just we have built in the call to action button here, click here to start the quiz, as this is the first step to drive people to your offer link. So the real quiz where people have to submit their information is not yet started. It's just a quiz page. You have to drive people from this quiz page to your affiliate offer page. So if you select here, click here to start the quiz that I have written here, and there is an URL options here. If you click on it, it's asking for an call to action URL. So just move back on to CPA Lead offer here. You just click and copy the affiliate link from here and go over to your call to action URL field and just paste the URL here and hit save. So the URL has been saved into this call to action button. So whenever people go over to cover and answer the questions and hit a go into the result page, they have to click this button to start the quiz. So just, or you can write you are qualified, so continue here. So this triggers people that they have answered the questions correctly, so they are qualified for the gift card. So people are tends to click this button, and they are going to redirect it to the CPA offer that you are interested. And when they just input their information there, just fill the simple form and submit, hit the submit button, then boom, you are going to get money for that. And for this offer you are going to get 64 cents for every people that join. Just fill that form you have. So all you have to do is just now hit the publish button here. When you hit the publish button here, and it will take some time, and you click publish as is, so it's getting published into quiztryinteract.com, and it will redirect you to the dashboard, and it will show that the quiz link, the live link to your quiz. This is the link that you have to promote. So no worries, I'm going to show you a very good way you can promote the link. So just copy the link, and your link is copied. So the first and the best options to share this quiz is they have already suggested Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, and so on. All the social media, these links will you will submit these links to, and they will never mind it. So first of all, first option, Facebook. So move on to the Facebook here. Just go over to the search section, search for sweepstakes, and in the group sections it will show all the groups that are related to sweepstakes. So people in these type of groups are always looking for winning money every day. So there are thousands of members in these hundreds of groups. All you have to do is join there and ask the admins to accept you, and promote some valuable contents there, so that admin don't mind promoting your offer for them. So you cannot go and get success with spamming is prohibited, and you cannot win anything from that. So all you have to do, join as many groups as possible and join them, log in there daily and put some value over there, post some valuable post. Just don't post your links right away, you just post values. People get attraction, and people will love you for that. When you just submit your link, then people don't mind to join through your link. So as an example, how you're going to post. So if you just go over to any group and hit the create post button, and you will just write something like how you'd like to make a $750 for free. Yeah, all you have to do is click below and follow simple steps, and boom, you can get $750 right away. Then you paste the link of your quiz that you just get from tryinteract.com. You paste the link, and you see the image that you have uploaded is already pasted, and it's looking already awesome. And so if you post something like this to all those groups here, and I'm sure if you work regularly, definitely people's going to get to your link, and you will definitely earn money from this. So guys, this is the way you have to be active. Money will always follow you. If you have not subscribed yet, please do go down below and press the subscribe button and like the video if you have liked it. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.